If you've been thinking about hiring a lawyer, stay tuned to learn about free resources that will help you make that decision.
Welcome to the YouTube channel of Michael J. Swanson. Michael is the author of How David Beats Goliath and is the CEO of Advocate Capital. And now, here's Michael.
Well, thanks for joining us today. I just found out about a great resource for free, important information that might help you if you need to hire a lawyer. And here to tell us about that today is Carl Truman from Louisville, Kentucky. Hi, Carl.
Good morning, Mike. Thanks for having me on your show today.
You bet. Well, I've always been impressed with the work that contingent fee lawyers do around the country to help people get access to the courts. But I also know that many of you provide a lot of free, very valuable information just to try to help people. And I know you have some of that on your website. Can you tell us about it?
Yes, that's right, Mike. I believe that a well-informed client is a good client. I want to provide information and provide education and resources. So I have written several books that I provide free to the consumer that may be looking for an attorney or wanting to get information. One of my books is about the 7 mistakes that could wreck your car accident case. And I've also written about the 7 mistakes that could ruin your Social Security claim. And also, since I do VA disability work for veterans, is how to fight the VA and win. So those are 3 resources there that are available on my website, trumanlaw.com. And so they're available to go on my website and simply fill out the form and we'll send you a free copy. There's no obligation, no cost, and it's available for the consumers, for the public to get and just have on hand for a useful resource and share to family and friends.
Wow, having written a book myself, I know how hard that is to do, first of all, and it's also expensive. So, gosh, thank you for providing that at your expense for people for free. Now, if they had a question later, maybe they get your book and they're wondering about a case they have or a friend, could they give you a call?
Well, absolutely. I think it's a great place to start with the book to get some information. And it's best to call us early on in the case. Get the books because it'll tell you some of the mistakes that oftentimes we see people make that really affect their case long term. And getting involved in the case soon, I can do a much better job for my client than a year or 2 years later after evidence is gone and so much has passed. But so the great place to start is to get the book right away and call us. My phone number is very simple, 502-222-2222. It's all twos.
Now, the books are free. What's it cost to call and talk to you?
Absolutely nothing. There's no fee to come in and talk to us and get information and or again for the books. So we only get paid when we recover money damages for our client.
Fantastic. Wow, very generous of you, but I happen to know that's the kind of person you are. Well, Carl, thanks for joining us today. Appreciate it.
Thank you, Mike.
Thanks for watching. Send your questions or comments to Michael at mike@howdavidbeatsgoliath.com.